Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening packs until we get like a TV serial or icon or anything like that. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe and share with all your friends and family. Thank you guys. Enjoy this video. First pack. Not good. Okay, better keep going. UCL. Who's it? We know the silver ace and it's not bad, but not what we're looking for. Inform. Not walkout. Ruben Pena. Next pack, A5 for Pena. If you're wondering how I got this many coins, it's by a few custom cards I got recently from trading. So yeah, and basically opening unlimited Go Elite packs. Oh, this is gonna take ages until I get something good. I also want to try to get like new cards for the collection. So I'm on like 92% of the collection. Just need 8 more percent until I have 100% collection. Then I basically completed the game. And if you want a part 3 of this pack opening series, make sure you leave a comment down below so I know that you want another video of it. And maybe I could start a Draft to Glory or do trading videos, maybe like that, but we'll have to see. If you leave like 10 likes on this video and comment down below, which shows support of how you like my videos and want more of these type of stuff. Inform Campbell. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I'm going to end the video in 2 minutes because I have to do something after this. So yeah. Inform Morales. I've got anything good yet. This luck is actually atrocious. Normally when I open these packs, I'm gonna get like icons, team seasons, bunch of walkouts, but today is just not my lucky day. Oh, by accident. There's a walkout Ramos, but there's no walkout animation. So, gotta put on my pack after this, then I'll end the video. Last pack, nothing good. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Bye guys.